concerned mhla ka-30 June birthday yami yabo. So that is why it's my biggest concern. It's my birthday and bangihlelele okukhulu la kwi podcast radio and stuff, but kunomoya esuzwayo ovunguzayo othinta umhla ka-30 June in your platforms as the Action SA mawuhlangene with your people, because you are always there, part of most of the marches. Sikhanyisele in layman's language, what is it about umhla ka-30 June kwenzakalani?
Mfowethu ngumqiniso ngabantu.
Yeah,
anginalwazi
kanje lo mbuzo. What plans do we have okuzivala le space uma besishiyile ama-saloon, abantu abagundayo emakhanda, oplamba, whatever abakwenza njengamanje? Are there plans? How are you going to close that space?
Mthetho ukuphatha kanjani as a leader ukuba among those people that you are seeing them beyo screena umuntu and doing what should be done by a government official?
Awungiphathi kabi.
Abantu abathi ngiya-understanda kodwa indlela ekwenziwa ngayo angivumelani nayo, asiye government wethu. Abantu abathi ayikho lento, kuzondwa nje abantu bokufika, kuzondwa abantu base-Africa, bese kuba ilabantu abathi azilimeze ijeni sikhathele njengamanje. What do you say to those three people who are watching right now?
All foreign nationals, if usikhuluma ngeyama-tuck shop, leave the tuck shop space. Are we ready to take over in that space?
I think now yes. I think now I've seen
Siyavuka one day all illegal immigrants are working South Africa. What is it that we are hoping to achieve? What would be the benefits of that to us as South Africans?
The very same shops ebekwesakaphewa ebekudumo lama-Africa, yabona, sizibone zivalwa. Right, there were times where beyivaliwe. Then kwase kuba ne wave of it take over eqhamukile after that. You understand? Yabo. So mawungacabanga nje uzozikhumula zeza abanezikhathi la sivaliwe khona ivaliwe. Then kwase kuba nale wave yokuthi sibone zithathwa ngama foreign nationals. So what's really happened? Have you?
But something is different this time around. Something is different. With the marches and the messaging that we are hearing. What would you say in your view, Mr. Mngwango, is different with what is happening now and what was happening back then that was called xenophobia?